Did you know that over 90,000 WordPress sites get hacked every single day? And most of them fail simply because they're missing the right plugins. Your WordPress site could be slow, insecure, invisible on Google, or losing leads right now and you wouldn't even know it. Hi everyone, I'm Nandakishore, and in this video, I'm going to show you the 7 WordPress plugins that you absolutely need to install on your WordPress website, covering site security, performance, SEO, website builder, and even AI. These aren't random picks. These are the exact plugins used by the top bloggers, agencies, and online businesses today. So let's start off with the list of 7 plugins. Stick around till the end because I'll give you 2 bonus plugins that I install sometimes depending on different websites. WordPress security. Let me ask you something. How many times a day do you think hackers try to break into an average WordPress site? The answer is going to shock you. It's not tens, it's not hundreds. Studies show WordPress sites get hacked thousands of times per day on average. Both scanning for weak passwords, outdated plugins, known vulnerabilities, it never stops. That's exactly why WordPress is the very first plugin I install on every single website. WordPress is basically a full security suite living inside your WordPress dashboard. It has a firewall that blocks malicious traffic before it even touches your site, a malware scanner that checks your files against known threats, and login security that stops brute force attacks. The free version itself incredibly powerful, and if you upgrade to premium, you get real-time threat intelligence, meaning the moment a new attack pattern is discovered anywhere in the world, your site is already protected against it. Elementor Page Builder. Here is a question I get all the time. Do I need to know how to code to build a great looking WordPress site? And the answer is hard no. Absolutely not. And the reason is Elementor. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder that lets you visually design every part of your website. No code, no frustration. You see your changes in real time as you make them. Drag a button here, resize an image there, change colors with a click. It's genuinely that simple. I use it on almost every site I build, and honestly, it's very comfortable, and I would say it's the king of page builder. While the free version is robust enough for many users, they also have Elementor Pro, a premium tier for those seeking more sophisticated widgets. With Elementor Pro Advanced, you get access to a theme builder, e-commerce features, a pop-up builder, and over 85 professional designed widgets. Some of the most beautiful websites you have seen on the internet were built with Elementor, and the person who built them might have zero design experience. Rank Math SEO. Rank Math is the SEO plugin I recommend in 2026, and I use it on almost every site I use. What does it actually do? It analyzes every page and post you write and tells you exactly what to fix to rank higher on Google. It completely automates your SEO process right inside your WordPress dashboard. Beyond automatically handling XML sitemaps, integrating with Google Search Console, and setting up critical schema markups for rich snippets, Rank Math's latest features focus on AI-driven content optimization. The powerful content AI features gives you personalized suggestion for keywords, content length, and headings based on real-time search data. It even allows you to optimize for multiple focus keywords at once. For content creation, you get access to 40 plus AI tools and RankBot, a 24/7 AI assistant to generate ideas, outlines, and compelling titles. Additionally, Rank Math includes advanced tools like the 404 monitor, the redirection manager to maintain a healthy link structure, and instant indexing to get your new pages discovered by search engines faster. I mean, it truly is like having a complete SEO consultant sitting next to you while you write. Guys, if you're liking this video so far, hit the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments. It motivates me to create more such useful videos. Lightspeed Cache. When it comes to boosting performance, Lightspeed Cache stands out as a top tier choice, particularly for sites hosted on Lightspeed servers. This plugin accelerates your website by implementing effective page caching, asset optimization, and fast delivery to your audience. Beyond simple caching, it streamlines your setup by including built-in tools for image optimization and database maintenance, eliminating the need for extra plugins. While it is optimized for light speed environments, you can achieve significant speed gains with minimal configuration. Updraft Plus. Backups are something you hope to never rely on, yet they are critical when things go wrong. Updraft Plus simplifies the process of backing up your WordPress site, ensuring you can quickly restore everything if your site breaks. To keep your data safe and secure, you can automate your backup schedule and send copies directly to cloud servers like Google Drive or Dropbox. While the free version provides solid essential coverage, there are premium options available for users requiring more advanced restoration and backup capabilities. JotForm AI Chatbot. Moving on, we have the JotForm AI Chatbot Builder. This plugin allows you to integrate an AI-driven assistant into your WordPress site that handles routine inquiries, assists users, and gathers data without manual intervention. The process is quite simple. Select Create Chatbot, define the kind of agent you need, and it will automatically train itself using your existing web content. You can further refine the experience by adjusting bot's appearance, visibility, and avatar, or by uploading additional resources like FAQs into its knowledge base. Once you hit publish, the chatbot goes live, typically appearing in the bottom right corner of your web page. It pulls from your site's data and any provided documentation to give your visitors accurate answers. For e-commerce users, its compatibility with WooCommerce is a major plus, helping to resolve product-related queries and streamline the customer buying journey. The free plan supports up to 100 monthly conversation, with premium option available for those requiring higher volume, admin and site enhancements. And the seventh plugin in our list we have is admin and site enhancements. Honestly, this is my favorite plugin because this plugin combines many plugins I used before. Upon installation, a new enhancements menu appears, offering a streamlined interface where I typically activate several key features. One excellent feature is content duplication. Earlier, I had to rely on separate plugins just to duplicate pages or posts, but this functionality is now conveniently integrated. Another essential tool is media replacement, which lets you swap images directly within your media library. This automatically updates the images across your site, saving you from having to manually replace it in every instance within your page builder. You have to click on Edit More Details, scroll down, then you have the option over here to replace the media. The plugin also provides customization for the WordPress interface itself. You can declutter the admin bar for a cleaner look and disable unnecessary dashboard widgets to improve your workspace focus. Bonus plugin 1. Now let's discuss the bonus plugins here, which I sometimes install on some projects depending on the need and requirement. The first one is ACF, Advanced Custom Fields, the most popular custom field plugins in WordPress, which now offers custom post types. But if you need pro features from ACF, that is where ACF Pro becomes a little more expensive because they don't have a lifetime deal, which means that if you want it for unlimited websites, because this is something which is very useful when you're using on multiple websites, you're going to pay $249 per year. But I have another option, which is CrocoBlock's Jet Engine, which offers a very similar features to ACF Pro, and of course they offer it for an affordable price. Here is the best part. CrocoBlock offers a lifetime deal, which is very good for you. And not only that, you get a lot of products from CrocoBlocks as well. And I'm going to come up with more tutorials on CrocoBlock itself, so stay tuned for that. Bonus plugin 2. And then the bonus plugin number 2 is the customizer plugin for your WordPress site. If you want to enhance your website by creating custom WordPress dashboard, like a little logo in the top over here, or disable the WordPress links, then I recommend White Label CMS. It gives you great options to create custom WordPress dashboard or custom client login page. You can simply go with this plugin. I have a dedicated video on that, so please check it out. I'll provide the link in the description box below. So feel free to check it out. So only install this plugin if you know your client is going to log in to your website and you want to give them a nice experience. But I suggest don't add a plugin like this if it's not needed, because you should keep your website as clean as possible. Final thoughts, and ladies and gentlemen, that's 7 WordPress plugins I recommend you should install on every WordPress website. You can find all the links mentioned in the description below. Remember, you don't need a massive library of plugins to succeed. The goal is to have a focused set of plugins that effectively manages your site security, speed, SEO, and user engagement. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. I appreciate you watching till the end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.